Ready to ditch the generic domain and make your Shopify store truly yours. Let's connect your Google domain in just a few minutes. First, head over to your Google Domains account and find the domain you want to connect to your Shopify store. Click on the domain name to access its settings. Now, we need to point your domain to Shopify in your Google Domain settings. Scroll down to the DNS section. We'll be changing your name servers. Click on Custom Name Servers and select Use Custom Name Servers. This is where you'll enter Shopify's specific name servers. You'll need to input NS1 Shopify.com and NS to Shopify.com. Make sure to type these in exactly as you see them, then click Save to apply these changes. Next, let's go to your Shopify admin, navigate to Online Store, and then click on Domains. Select the option to connect existing domain. In the pop-up, enter your full Google domain name, for example, yourdomain.com, and then click Next. Shopify will now start verifying your domain. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, sometimes up to 48 hours. Depending on how quickly the DNS changes propagate across the internet, you'll see a status indicating if it's connected. Once the verification is complete, your domain status in Shopify will change to connected. Congratulations, your professional online presence is now live.